August called the Sea of Tragic Beast, motherfucker!